don't know, maybe I need to let it kick on some more. Alright. I'm gonna take this out. Let it preheat for a few minutes. Just get the temperature change on here. Well, it's pretty warm. Definitely warm in there. Yep. So let it cool down for a second. And then you'll see how it's challenging to get this thing back in here. And if you notice, this is kind of where we've had some problems with trying to put it back in there, and the bottom of this basically just ended up kind of somewhat melting the plastic here because we're trying to navigate it in there. Let's just go ahead and get back over to there real quick. Okay, let me see if this is working.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Dude, are you kidding me? It's like working.
Yeah, but we did how many things before when it actually cooked? We didn't just preheat.
Stop it. Get some help.
We didn't just preheat. Well, it was kind of still cooking. I got it running.
Hey, you don't understand.
How many did we do?
You don't understand.
Okay, so tell me, how many did we do?
I'm not on the camera. You can turn the camera off.
Well, I'll just go ahead and tell the camera something.
No, you can turn the camera off, please.
No, we don't want to turn it off.
You can turn the camera off, please.
Sweetie, just tell us what it is. I'm putting this on YouTube so everybody can learn.
I'm asking you to turn the camera off.
Come on, be a part of everything. Be a part of everything.
I'm not giving you permission to put this on there.
Oh, come on.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna edit that part out. Cheese.
No, I'm not giving you
Cheese.
permission to put it on there.
Look how pretty you are. Look how pretty you are. Say cheese.
You can
Cheese.
Stop.
Give me bunny ears. Cheese. Okay. Our big giant clock.
Nice.
Okay. I mean, I had it running for like 10 minutes and now it's proving everything wrong. Well, we're gonna see. What's that?
Did you cook anything today?
No?
Seriously.
Who are you?
Don't just leave your pan empty.
It's the same thing as if it preheats. Wait, hold on. You're trying to tell me preheating it is not the same thing as
Preheating it for 2 minutes.
letting it run empty? Am I taking crazy pills? I don't even. I take.
No, I love how you're talking to me that way because you're recording something.
Sweetie. Sugar pie, honey bunches of oats. I plan on getting my fat on. Look at that. With these mozzarella sticks. But I wanted to show you guys how this worked. And how like it doesn't slide in there easy. Okay, I think it might be doing it. I think it just needed to heat up a little bit more and then cool down. To kind of show how this thing is not really working in there. This is actually pretty warm.
Hot, 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 hot.
This on the side here is definitely hot. So do not touch. This right here you can touch. It's definitely warm to the touch. Okay. See if it goes in or not. Damn this thing. Screw it. Put it in the freaking. Now just gonna let it. It's tired of being disappointed. There we go. You haven't put it in there for. I'm only gonna put it in there for 5 minutes. No, it says 425 for conventional. We can only go 400. Oh yeah, also, another thing, you're gonna wanna do all of your times roughly in half. You'll see why. I might as well just keep this thing running. It says bake for 10 to 11 minutes for a half bag. We're gonna do this, well, I did it for 6 minutes. So roughly a half bag, 6 minutes at 400. Okay, so the thing just went off. I had it going for 6 minutes at 400, but I actually knocked it down because I was counseled that it was too high of heat. So we knocked it down to 350, still let it go. So it was really only at 600 or 400 for 2 minutes, and then 350 for another 4 minutes, or the remaining of the 4 minutes. Let's see how it turns out. I'll let you guys look firsthand so you can see what I'm seeing here. Oh my God! Wow! Oh, they're looking pretty good actually. Let's see. They're definitely warm inside. Let's cut one open. Want to use the scissors? You can just use the scissors and snap one in half. Let's check her out. Alright, check it out. Do you want me to video you eating it? No! What, like the string all over your cheeks and everything? How's it tasting? Is it correct? Heck yeah. So like I said, these things work awesome. That nice cheese. They definitely work awesome. It's just putting it back in. If you want, now if I want to cook something else, this is the challenge that we ran into. Fill the whole thing up, so we're gonna definitely need it. Probably should just put it in a bowl. Oh, we gotta add some of this too. Hold on. Gotta add some of this stuff. Okay, now let me see. Let me dump all these out onto a plate. Oh, that's right. Press this button. Ooh. There we go. It's okay. So there we go. Set it back in. Now, let's say you wanted to add something else to it. Put these over here for now. They do look tasty. They smell amazing. So, here it is. Let's see if it actually goes inside here easily. Okay, here's the problem we're having. Okay, watch. Hold on. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is it. So cool down a little bit, just enough. So, can you see the screen okay? Can you see it? So here's the problem that we're having. It gets bound up. This is what happens. Okay, it actually went in a lot easier this time. Nice. But after you do 2 or 3 of these type of cooks where it's running for 6, 8, 10, 12 minutes, you do a few of those, you basically have to let this cool down. Take this out, let it cool down before it slides in there easy. Right now it's actually sliding in there real easy. But what happens, this would get bound up here. It wouldn't go in all the way up here to get bound up, but it's actually going in there. But that's after one full run. Anyways, that's the review. I'll edit this a little bit, maybe not though. Maybe I'll let it run full length. What do you think, sweetie? Come on, say hi to the public. Say hi to the public. Say hi to the public.
Denied.
Like,
Oh my God!
I'm editing that part out, so we won't hear that. Oh,
I told you that time and time again.
oh, this is going to be a special edited version. You know how Gary Vee does his? You know how he like black and white? Sweetie, give me a smile. Are you serious right now? You see what I deal with, people? I'm putting this up too, the whole damn thing. I love you. Julie.
I've asked you multiple times to put on the camera. And
Okay,
you've been
fine.
expecting you when I've asked you multiple
Fine.
times to do that.
Okay, look it.
No.
I put the camera down. Oh, now you want to turn it off. Different story. I'm having fun with you. You're such a grouch. You're not any fun.